Alright guys, back again with another video guys of this amplifier. I was recording a video before and I got a call and it messed it up, yeah, eventually messed it up. So guys, this is the Qsc that I'm working on guys. This turn upside down guys, just to let you guys get it to see the right way. We just turn it around. This is the right way. So this is the top guys. You see how they made this one? Yeah. A lot of amplifier they made it like that. So this is the top cannot come off. It's sealed right around. Yeah, so this is the one that have the static sound in this one here. So let me show the back view of it again. And yes guys, so I'm gonna try one of YouTube non-copyright music. I'm gonna try to let you guys see what's going on. So this to that side. The speaker where I bridge mode, that means the two red ones goes in the two. This one going one red, one going the other. Yeah. So it's red to red back there guys. So that's a bridge mode. This all twist up now. Alright. So let's show you guys. We're getting there guys. So I'm going to show you what's going on guys. I wish I could have hold on. Let me try with this. I don't want the speaker where the pump loose. So you guys definitely can hear what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to do like this. So I want to show the knob. Meanwhile I'm doing it, show you what it's doing. And I think, let me see. I think I'm good now guys. So I turn it right down. Looking down. This goes up. Alright. Music is playing. Hear that guys? Yeah, so let's keep doing that. So let's keep doing that. So what I'm going to do guys, first thing first, let me remove this speaker from here. It's gonna cause some right now. So alright guys, so as you can see up from up there, yeah, right here you see those two screws there. I'm going to remove them and see if they are the only one that's holding it in. But first, let's turn these down and just pull the knobs off. If you can pull, you can pull off from the other way too. So that's good. Can't seem to find a short screwdriver. Hold on, that's crazy. Hold on, guys. Enough for one. In this case, some people switch it around, like one button around and swap the other one since as they use only that one, you understand guys? But no, don't do that. Never a good idea. They might switch back to that and start playing the amplifier different, and then you're gonna figure out you mess up, They were like, oh, what did you do, You don't wanna do that. Don't wanna do that guys. So yes. Just like this. So this was one. So this is one, yes, and this is two. So yeah, that is dirty. So I'm gonna clean it with a contact cleaner that I have. Oh. Guys, I use this one. I don't know about anybody else. This one works wonders for me. So I'm gonna rinse it with some of this. Yeah. Let's keep dry. Cause this is from church, guys. So sometimes those places, guys, believe me, yeah, they carry a lot of dust. Cause this one, they carry a lot of dust to this amplifier. If I blow it over these guys and it doesn't work, definitely I'm going to get one of those switch. Sorry, this one here, no? Definitely, guys. So I'll give it one more. But, pull it back. Alright. Right, give it some time for it to, What I shouldn't have done, guys, I should have removed this speaker from here because I'm going to use it again. Right there, and this can stay plugged into. Yep. Anything I'm gonna do is from this angle now, guys. You understand? So you guys can see what I'm doing. So yeah. Cheers. Put the amplifier right there so it doesn't move around on the stool. Because the stool is the one that's moved around. So yeah. Things right here, guys. Didn't say anything about this one, but I'm gonna touch it up with some. Alright, so let me plug it in down, guys. That should be dry already. Yeah, that should be dry, guys. Let me see something here. I have one copyright music on here. Alright, so it's on it, so down. Thing's gonna come here now. Alright. So it goes like this. On. Look at that. Nice, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. I don't want to play too much of it, guys, because YouTube already. So that's just it, guys. With this, that's just it, guys. By using this one, this is one I use, guys. Yes, it's WD-40, yeah, and it works for me over the years. That's what I've been using. So I used to use another one that I don't know, but it works, but not as effective as this one, guys. Believe me. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm gonna stop the video. You know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna play my type of song and crank it up, some more and stuff like that, and yeah. But basically, guys, yeah, I didn't know this was gonna turn out like this. Honestly, guys, to tell you the truth, because some of them I have to even take them apart and stuff like that, and try to fix something before I even go, buy a new one. But yeah, it's good, guys. It's working fine. So I don't think I'm turning it on some more on blue again. I don't think they're gonna charge me for testing it again. Let's see. Okay, no shots and nothing like that. Nice, guys. Fine, guys. That's it. So just glad it's working. This is not copyright, so I'm not even rushing. Just messing with this. music first, then you turn off your amplifier, guys. Before you, that's how you do stuff. You understand? Always stop the music first. Don't shut off it with the music playing. That's not a good idea. Not a good idea. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Sometimes these shot you guys if you put your hand with this and this, the chassis and this. Don't ever try that. Yeah, you might get shot. But yes, guys, that's it for this one. Just a little cleanup, knob cleanup, guys. Just a little knob cleanup. Yep. And it's up and running again, guys. So yep. It's another one from Cardi and Cardi, guys. So I'm going to, guys. I keep saying I'm gonna, but everybody know what I mean when I say I'm gonna. It means I'm going to, guys. Screw this up. See if it's the right way. I have it here. Oh, yep. These screws. Uh-oh. No magnet. Jeez. Okay. Well, I get this studio cannot use the magnet thing, is not working. Tip is messed up, guys. Ooh, come back to me. Where you going? Alright then, come on, come on. Aha. So yes, guys, you can unplug these. I can leave these two in the amplifier for him because he didn't bring it in any. So maybe short on them and maybe think I have because I do this kind of stuff. But I have a bunch of them, guys. I have 4 here still left. Yeah, so I'm going to put this back here where it belongs right underneath this table, guys. And yeah, maybe show you some more of this amplifier. This is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. That's sure. This is the back view of it. And the setting, you can look what you have it at. Then the bridge mode and that thing. Here. Alright, let me show you the front. Looking like this, and it's upside down, I think, yet. This guy, sorry about that, but you know, this is how they make this amplifier. And after that, like giving a big fight to get it right. So yeah, like that, guys. But yep, that's it, guys. That's it. It's a good view. Right, guys, so please like, subscribe if you like what I see so far. And yes, guys, Cardi and Cardi out for now with this one, guys, which it was only a #1 knob cleanup, guys. That's what it was. The knob need cleaning. So that was the problem with this one. #1 knob. Yeah, that one didn't need cleaning up, guys. So yeah. So please like, subscribe if you like what I see so far, guys. And Cardi and Cardi, guys, out for now. Alright, enough respect.